You're probably wondering how to get profits like this in your own wallet. Don't worry, I'm about to walk you through the full method so you can cash out smooth and legit. Before we dive into the step-by-step playbook, quick heads up, stay away from Pump.Fun. It's way too crowded right now. People are launching tokens left and right for free, and it's just not the place to stand out. If you're serious about real profits, you need to take the smarter path. Open up Photon and set the filter to Pump.Fun. Just watch the madness unfold. Meme coins are dropping non-stop, one after another. But don't get hyped, none of them last. It's completely overcrowded since literally anyone can launch a token. Now let's switch over to Radium and check out the difference. With Radium active, take a look at how calm the launch rate is. Way less spam. And the demand, through the roof. The market caps here are on another level compared to Pump.Fun. It's simple. Radium requires dev skills, so the weak projects never even make it. That's exactly why we're doing it here. Let me walk you through it. Launchtool.io. Absolute game changer. You don't need to code, script, or even think about development. Just drop in your details, click a couple buttons, and your token is launched. It's that simple, like you found a glitch in the Matrix. I grabbed a solid image from Google for the logo. This time, I'm going with a popular event, the Eurovision Song Contest. To create the logo, open Canva and set your dimensions to 128 by 128 pixels. Upload your image and resize it to cover the entire design area. Once you're done, download the logo. We'll be using it in a few moments. Now let's create our token. Jump back to Launch Tool and fill in your coin info. I'm calling mine Eurovision coin with the symbol EVC. For the description, you can keep it light and playful. This time, I don't have inspiration, so I will just skip it. Upload the logo you created before, then tap Next. Now you're on tokenomics. Honestly, the default settings are perfect. We'll use the entire 1 billion supply later. Click Next again and you'll hit the Creator Info section. They are basically robbing you for 0.1 Sol. Just switch it off and save that for more important things. Now we are at the social links page. You can put yours if you have them, but since I don't, I will just skip this too. Alright, this part is important. Don't mess with switches like revoke freeze, revoke mint, or revoke update. Buyers can get suspicious and avoid your coin. Just leave those as they are and launch your token. Approve the transaction like you always would, and your coin is officially launched. Pause for a second and double check your token information. I'm using SolScan to look mine up. There it is. Token's officially live. Alright, before your coin starts trading, there's one last thing to do, and that's creating a liquidity pool. Head back to Launch Tool and hit Create Liquidity Pool. It'll send you straight over to Radium. First things first, make sure your wallet is connected. Pick your coin as the base token. Copy your token address from Launch Tool and paste it right under where it says Select the token. Now fill in the details. Symbol for my token is EVC, name is Eurovision coin. Click Add User Token and tap it again to lock it in. Enter 900 million tokens, which is a typical supply for meme coin launches out of 1 billion. For quote token, choose Solana. Since you're the first buyer, going full max won't cost you anything, but make sure to leave 0.2 SOL for fees. That's Radium's setup cost, and it's marked in yellow on the bottom. Pick 2% as your fee tier. When all that's done, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve it in your wallet, and just like that, your pool is live. Head to Photon, and your coin should pop up right away. With that out of the way, let's go check how it's doing on the charts. Go to dexscreener.com and pick any random token and let the chart load completely. Now jump back to Launch Tool, grab your token's address again, and paste it over the one you see on Dexscreener in the URL section. All set, The chart's up and ready. If you scroll down, you might see some early activity, but don't pay attention to it yet. It's just bots doing their thing. As always, I'll give it a few minutes and wait for the real traders. Okay, so after a while, we got our first bigger order. It's a $77 order, which comes down to 0.45 sol. You might also notice some sells happening, but don't worry, that helps the volume, which gives the coin more appeal. Almost 10 minutes after the first one, the second big buy just hit, 0.81 sol, which is $137. The numbers are speaking the truth. Both liquidity and market cap are going around $800. So far, we're crushing it, and I've got a good feeling those numbers will climb shortly. The best part is that you don't need promo whatsoever to make this work, as long as you are keeping up with the latest trends. I've said it before, but this is a crazy method. Just like that, third buy came in, over $200 or 1.23 Solana. That's unreal. Massive momentum in such a short time. Liquidity and market cap are over $1,000. And of course, guys, this is just for educational use. Results may vary for everyone watching. Now let me show you how to remove liquidity. Head over to Radium, link up your wallet, and switch to the standard layout. Hit that little minus button, slide it all the way to 100%. You're mainly cashing out your SOL, so forget about the rest. Click Remove Liquidity, approve the pop-up in your wallet, and once you see the confirmation, you're all set. Now comes the best part. Open up Phantom and admire that sweet payout. I put in $270 and walked away with $260 profit. For the record, I'm not sponsored or partnered with Radium, Launchtool, or Photon. I'm just showing you what works right now. Things change fast in crypto, so move quickly.